In this video, let us discuss about the equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if and only if their order is equal and every Aij is equal to Bij for every I comma j. So, what do you understand? So, we understand that matrices A and B are said to be equal only if they are of the same order and every corresponding element will be equal. Okay, let us see an example using this concept. Find x, y, z from x plus y to 5 plus z xy is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. So, let's solve this. Before we proceed, are the order equal? Yes. The matrix in the left hand side is of order 2 by 2 and matrix in the right hand side is also of order 2 by 2. So, we are ready to go. Now, comparing the two matrices, we get x plus y is equal to 6, consider it as the first equation. 5 plus z is equal to 5, consider it as the second equation. Xy is equal to 8, take it as the third equation. Now, if you observe the second equation, from 2 we get z is equal to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. So, we have arrived at z to be equal to 0. Now, from 1 we get x plus y is equal to 6, which implies x is equal to 6 minus y. Now, substitute this in the third equation. So, substituting x is equal to 6 minus y in 3, we get 6 minus y into y is equal to 8, or 6y minus y squared is equal to 8, from which we arrive at a quadratic, namely y squared minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, it's time to factorize it and conclude the answer. So, it is y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 4 or 2. Now, if y is equal to 4, what is x? X is equal to 6 minus y, which is equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, what is x? X is equal to 6 minus y, which is 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So, we arrive at two sets, namely x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 0, or x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 or z is equal to 0, and that concludes the answer. So, we have used the concept of equality of matrices and solved the unknowns, and hence we have arrived at two sets of values depending upon the